When things are falling apart, they may be actually falling into place. It's very funny because working out will make you feel weak when reality is making you stronger. Learning new things will make you feel stupid when reality is making you wiser. And facing your fears will make you feel terrified when reality is making you braver. Never regret any experience of your life because it was there to build the person you are today. If you're on self-improvement, chances are is that you have had that one experience which has changed everything. That one experience when you say, okay, there's nothing below it. I'm hitting rock bottom. I have never felt this worse in my life. So the only way out is just up. There's nothing else than up. And this is what we call the FTE, the fuck this event. It is exactly as if a phoenix was reborn from its ashes. But if we take a look at our past selves in that same fuck this event, we are doing much better than that version of us. We are doing so much progress that we are not even the same person. But we have to remember that we wouldn't be the same person who is watching this video right now, the very same person who is in this state of your life right now, if you hadn't gone through that fuck this event, if you hadn't suffered that same experience that has led you to the point where you are right now. Because as humans, we're wired to be comfortable. We say, okay, this is what has worked until now. I'm not going to do anything stupid to risk it. There may be something better outside that I can strive for, but I'm going to stick to this thing that I have right now because it's the most comfortable choice. And it is only when there's something from the outside which hits your life and hurts you so bad that you say, okay, the pain of staying in the same place is greater than the pain of changing. So that's the moment when you decide to, okay, I need to make a change in my life. I need to do something better with it. And that's the point when we start to see results like, okay, if your girlfriend hadn't dumped you, you may have not gotten into the gym and you may not have the six-pack that you have right now. This is what we call the region beta paradox, which says that if you were to travel 1 mile, you would do it by feet, but if you were to travel 3 miles, you would do it by car. So paradoxically, you travel 3 miles faster than you would travel 1 mile. So maybe the thing that you are going through right now that seems so horrible, that seems so bad, is catapulting you into a much greater life. It's catapulting you into a much greater experience and a much greater version of yourself. And that's the reason why traumas are not so bad. Everyone nowadays is trying to run away from traumas, is trying to run away from their insecurities, is trying to run away from all these experiences that may be shaping you into a greater version of yourself. Embrace those experiences in your life and don't try to avoid them. Embrace those new things that are going to shape you and make you a better version of yourself. And that was everything for today's video, guys. I love you, and as always, stay patient because your prophecy is unfolding. I love you so much. Mwah.